Hello, I'm Ryan. Call me RC. For years, I've had a profound passion for the deaf community, exploring ways to transform and elevate it, and have witnessed the numerous challenges facing our community. How can we affect change and improve? There are ways, it can be done, and it's truly possible. Now, I am absolutely thrilled to announce the launch of my new website. It's ready to share with you and features actionable information, fresh perspectives on language and framing. I offer workshops and training services as well. If you'd like to connect for conversations or in-person engagements, I'd be delighted to collaborate with you to unify the world through a deaf-centered lens.